Hello friends, Root One Shrike back with another video, and this video we are going to look at ArchShrike Linux, and it is going to be BSPWM for ArchShrike. Recently we looked at ArchShrike and right now we are going to see BSPWM, because when I try to do my surfing, I stopped on two window managers which will be used in ArchShrike, and that was BSP and Berry. But again I realized that Berry is similar, it's not similar, but it's somehow similar to BSP, and in functionality still BSP is good, though my favorite is Berry window manager. These three window manager, Berry, ArchShrike and BSP, their configurations, they are somehow related, but they are not that similar in terms of using them. So I decided in those three window managers I'll pick BSPWM. And also for some people who they are people who they have been reaching to me, but I see number of users and people, they are preferring BSPWM. So in ArchShrike we will still maintain, in Shrike Linux we will still maintain our Spectra WM. In ArchShrike it will be BSPWM, and then in Kampala Linux I'm still figuring out what we will use. So here we are going to see BSPWM. Remember, my configurations are very easy because I'm someone who doesn't want to complicated things. So we are going to look at our configuration. I've added those scripts we talked about recently. We are going to see them, and let's continue with the installation as we are. Let me first automate the installation, and then we go there, Shrike, and just brief. Okay, so we are going to look at scripts here and our configuration. Here briefly I want to talk about what we have here. We have a contour terminal, we have circular as scratch pad, So let's use this one. This is what's going on. Okay, this is our configuration for BSPWM. Just brief, nothing much here, nothing much. It's just brief configuration. These are some of our float we have added here. That section, this is for Windows and our bar, monitors, and colors we have chosen, even our scripts. Okay, let's see then our scripts. Here the configuration is just brief. It's not that confusing. It cannot confuse you. We are going to look at first of all, we have out or a terminal that will be circular terminal, this one, and then alt return, that will be the contour terminal, out, okay. Browser, we have Firefox, but again I've forgotten to add Brave, but still we have Brave in here. You can add it. We have our scripts for bootable drives to create bootable medias. We have Thunam on N, Alt N, Alt Shift S, that is our program which makes bootable medias. And then here our menu, we have chosen the menu here, and Alt 1 that opens the menu scripts. For as our menu, you can use it to search whatever you like. Directories, we have scripts which go through your directories, and then you can use it even to edit. You can go back or enter, you continue, and then you can choose anything you want to edit, enter. So here you choose the file you want to edit. You can use Vim, a mousepad, or this one, open XDG open, and with Vim you can use Vim to open our file. You can also go to root file system here, but with this one you won't edit anything because they will require you to have a root password, of which I failed to the menu. I failed to get the way the scripts can ask me for the password, and then you configure your files. So for root file system, you just go there, look into your scripts. And also what I have forgotten is copy and paste. I think other versions I'll add that one, copy and paste, but not right now. So F3, you know this script. In this script I told you can go here like this, you search something and then it opens the browser. The network is Alt F4, and here I've added bits for just to test your what, your sound. You can test your sound just for sound on F5. Those ones you open it, just testing sound only, but it won't I don't want it to play. And scroll F6, that one opens, takes a screenshot, just taken screenshot. We have power on F7, that is power buttons, and lock on F8, out F9, that is our program which makes bootable media. And then what else here? We have color picker, this one. So we start other scripts, like we have quick marks, which can help you to bookmark, copy, paste. It can work as a clipboard. You are going to see how it works. So when you press Alt Control V, you go to your bookmarks. You can see what you have bookmarked. So far I added 2 bookmarks there, and if you want to bookmark something, you highlight it like this, then you press Alt Control Z, then Alt Control Z, it bookmarks it. Then if you press Alt Control V, you can see that we have added another string there. And then you can edit the string by pressing Alt Control E. You edit that string. You can add and you can edit. So we go here, we put ArchShrike BSPWM, and then the string has been changed. You see here, you have changed the string, and you can add we can add something like Shrike Linux SpectraWM. We have, so here we can see that we have added SpectraWM, and then we can delete this string. Also we can arrange them or organize them. Let's start with the organizing. Alt Control O, this one, organize them. I want ArchShrike BSP to be below all strings. Go here, number 4, view it again, it's not there. So we can delete them. Alt Control D. This one checks, let's say stance. We check for stance. We have a duplicate one, we have uniques 4, and total there are 5 strings there. So we want to delete the duplicate. If you delete the duplicate, let me show you first here. The duplicates are Shrike Linux and Shrike Linux. I mean ArchShrike and ArchShrike. When you remove them, one file will go and another one will remain. You just delete the repetition. Delete it. And then if you check distance, duplicates are 0. I removed one duplicate, and when you check, you see we have got only one ArchShrike. And then you can delete those strings. Delete this one, and then delete Shrike Linux Spectra. So we can check what we have now. We have remained with 2. These files, they are somewhere here. Let me show you which file where we have been messing with. Bookmark this one here. This is the file where we have been pasting things and deleting. It's there. So other things are just simple Alt-Shift-Q will quit the environment, BSP environment, and Alt-Shift-R will restart it. Closing Windows, it is Alt plus X. It closes. Other things are normal for those people who are using BSP, and they are all here. I'm not a fan of BSP. My best window manager is BSPWM, which takes the first place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place. Then there we add Berry. I love Spectra WM. I made this one for those people who have been asking me to make BSP. That's why we are having here this BSP. I always make sure that my key bindings are easy for everyone to use. That's why we are seeing F1, F2, F3. But in case you don't want the way I set key bindings, please don't just complain. You can change everything. For me, I'm just doing this for every person. I'm not targeting people like us who are using who are power user on Linux. No, I'm just targeting every person who comes across Shrike Linux Uganda distros for distros which are using window managers. I will always use simple key bindings for every person. So if you find it there, you can change everything you feel like. And also, I make it easy for other people also to add their own scripts. That's why I add just few scripts, very productive. And also, I don't use all the key bindings on my keyboard, that any person cannot add his or hers. He has to delete the whole thing and reconfigure. I don't like that. At least I make it minimal, easy to read and understand, and give you a chance also to do something else, because that is the fact, that is the goodness we have in open source, is leaving others to change whatever they feel like, because we don't have the same taste. every person has his own taste. So that is it. Our video will end here, and I'll see you in the next video. Let me see. I think our installer has finished. Yeah, it has finished. Let's boot in. It helps me always to check for errors when I like installing the distro before I upload it. I think that is the best way of doing things. First use it before you put it online. So those minor issues, people, they can reach you and they tell you there is something missing. X render is 180 and 1080. Alright, I'll end here our video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.